Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermal fuse assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers, a putty knife, side cutters, and a zip tie. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new thermal fuse assembly. The thermal fuse assembly is designed as a safety device to prevent the defrost heater from overheating, causing any damage to the compartment lining. It's mounted on the side of the refrigerator evaporator. If the fresh food compartment is not as cold as it used to be and there's snow built up on the rear wall, it's time to check the thermal fuse assembly and replace it if needed. In order to get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. We will start with removing shelves. Let's remove the drawers. Now we're going to remove those two light covers. I'm going to use the putty knife and press against the locking tab here. And open it. Now I'm going to remove it from the 3 hinges at the back. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. To take off the evaporator cover, we need to remove the 6 Phillips screws, 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the bottom. So I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver and we're going to take them one by one out. And now I'm going to remove the cover. Hold the cover, don't let it go, and we need to remove these plugs. Push down on the tab, pull the plug, push down on the tab, pull out the plug. This is the old thermal fuse assembly that we need to replace. So we can start with unplugging that plug. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver because my nails are not that strong. Alright, and then we need to pry this holder off the evaporator. Now we're going to take this holder off the fuse. We're going to use the flathead screwdriver and pop open these tabs. Open the holder, slide the fuse out. Keep the holder somewhere handy. We're going to reuse it, obviously. This is the old thermal fuse assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, this is a new thermal fuse assembly, and we're going to install the holder. Slide it into the holder, and then close it. Beautiful. So now we're going to put these 2 little tabs into these 2 holes in there on the side. And then clip in. And then plug this in. I'm going to push it down so it will be out of the way. And now I'm going to secure it with a zip tie. So it will be out of the way. And we're gonna get rid of this extra plastic using side cutters. Let's bring the cover panel in, and we're gonna plug in these 2 outlets here. That's one for the lights and one for the fan motor. And then we can install the panel and secure it with the 6 Phillips screws. Now we can install the light lenses, and I put those 3 hinges in and then press the locking tabs and do the same thing on the left side. And the chilled room shelf goes back in, and all the drawers. And let's put the shelves back in. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.